Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Let's just excuse this because I have not got ready yet. It is, oh my gosh, Boo. Oh my gosh, she's so naughty, right? This morning she'd absolutely not. Let's not be doing that, please. Basically, this morning she went out onto the ledge. I'm gonna put that on the lock. She went out onto the ledge. It was like 6 AM and she's on the ledge, right? And I call her back in. She doesn't come, so I tap her on the bum. I'm like, get your ass back in here. And then she just looks at me and then she turns around to come back in. This bitch falls and I'm just there screaming boo at 6 AM. Luckily, as you can tell, she has not been affected by it. Me, however, had a little heart attack this morning, so that was a great way to wake up. I am vlogging today because I'm going to bottomless brunch. I mean, I keep calling it bottomless brunch, but I'm actually not sure if it's bottomless. But I hope it is, because like, what can you have brunch that isn't bottomless? Like, no. So, ooh, ignore the open wardrobe. I just realised I actually just never film myself getting ready, so sorry about that. But I'm ready now. I don't know if I'm vibing with the look, but we're going with it. I'll show you my outfit in the other mirror. I also shoved my hoop through and girl, she's red and sore. Not good. I'm also not wearing a bra, which is very risky, so hopefully I do not have to run, because I think a little something might pop out. So yeah, this is my look. So we've just arrived, or we've been reunited, and Grace needed a snack.
I'm eating already. What's new?
I don't know why, there's just a bench in the middle of the road, so we're just sitting on it. This is lit. We got like our own bit and free prosecco. Is it good though? I don't know. Yeah, it's good. It's not the Lidl stuff. Smooth?
So smooth.
I'm so pissed. I've lost my ticket.
We're both pretty drunk. Emma's lost her ticket for the train.
I just wanted to say it was a great day. We were both very drunk, very pissed. It was lovely to see Emma. She's a babe.
Good morning everyone. I actually wasn't planning to start the video today looking like this. Haven't done my hair, makeup, nothing, but I just got an exciting parcel, so I thought I would start it now. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. Oh my god, look at her. She's a queen. Oh. I hope you guys are ready for, oh god, some puppy content, because I'm about to take a little puppy for a walk. Does he have a question for you? Would you like to go for a walk? Yeah! Girlie's off explore. Oh, are you having a poo? Okay, I'll stop filming you. Hi! Good girl. Hey girlies. Clearly, grass was greener on the other side. I mean, no thank you. What's this? What's this? Ready? Go! Look at the long grass! So it is a new day now. I'm kind of regretting not bringing my sunglasses because I have a hat and my hair's gone not cute. But we've come on a walk. Boo just had the fright of her life meeting, but where is she? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Meeting Dottie. So just come on a walk, hopefully tire out the little puppy. What's that? So I don't like it. It's so fluffy. Oh, there's some lambs. Oh, how cute. Oh, hi. You're so tiny. Not like it. Come on, Dot. Dottie, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, yummy. Also, something I have to do today is hand my resignation letter in. I kind of really don't want to do it because I'm handing it in to, can say it now. Oh, hang on. Home Bargains. Because this girl has got an office job.
A booby.
A booby. Here with my favourite sausage.
Pop pop.
Pop pop.
Is you pop pop booby?
Yeah.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. Something, what they're gonna say?
If you couldn't tell, I'm going to the beach today. Guys, it's going to be so hot. It's going to be like the hottest day of the year. It's going to be like 28. I just made a nice coffee because it's not even 8 AM. So we just arrived at the beach. Blowing up the dinghy. Oh, what is it? A rubber ring? Rubber ring. I'm so hot in here. Emmy's just left us in the car with the windows up. I can't get out. It's 28 degrees. We're sweating. So I'm home now, looking, as you can tell, rough. Look, I don't know why I've got that, because I didn't put sun cream there, and I wasn't sitting like double shin vibes, but hey ho, we live. Now I've got like nothing in the house for dinner, so I'm going food shopping. I'm so burnt. I look ratchet, so I don't want to see anyone I know. So it's not really sunny anymore, but best believe I'm going to go in like this. But yeah, I think I will end the video here because I think it's just going to be a mix of loads of things. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. We're so close to 100 and I'm so excited. So if you want to see this face excited, subscribe, and I'll see you next time in a new video. Bye. God, people are staring at me.